So I started my journey with pop-on veneers because I needed something to improve my confidence. I was out of work, looking for a job, going to interviews, and could tell that I was getting kind of judged by my appearance, my smile. So that's what started the whole operation, Get My Smile Back. And what I did was, it was really easy. I reached out to Pop-On Veneers. They sent me the impression mold. Once you receive your impression mold in a week, you send it off. You get your veneers back in about 2 weeks. Your veneers are going to come in a blue case, just like this right here. They are going to have your teeth mold in them as well. And you can see an exact match, right? You can even use this as a stand for your teeth. Your teeth will clap onto this for secure storage as well. Along with your case, you get a toothbrush and some cleaning supplies for your veneers as well. And then here's the big enchilada right here. And you just line them up and hear that snap. That's when you know they're in place and they're secure. And it did wonderfuls for my smile and helped me land the job of my dreams. So thank you, Pop-On Veneers.